Okay, I didn't show you getting the boat off the anchor this morning. I'm so bummed, but it is a beautiful day. I mean, look at this. Oh. And I'm very excited because I'm heading up to Porto Rapti to pick up more guests. And I am so excited to share this with them. I mean, how can you not want to see this? I love this. Oh. Boat is wonderful. Conditions are great. We got 20 knots right off the beam. We are trucking. Loving it. Love this boat. Love my life. I want to share with everybody. Anyway, what else can I say? Great day.
Good morning.
I know. So coffee? Is coffee ready?
Coffee's almost ready. She's perking.
Billy Allen made it to the boat. I can't believe it.
I did, and I am so happy to be here, Captain Steve, here in paradise.
Terry, how are you this morning?
Great. Great this morning, yes.
She's like, as she clutches her coffee. Yes, I got my coffee. I'm good to go. It's going to be a nice day today.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Could not be more perfect.
This harbor, the wind died down. It turned out to be quite nice.
It did.
How about the Steve rescue of the anchor?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was very cool.
That's the nice thing about having clear water like this. You can dive down and see what's going on.
Wait for a second. So I'm going to take a... Okay.
All right, we're underneath. Oh, wait for... Yo, you want me to wait? No.
All right. Hey.
Oh, all right, keep pulling the
We're
chain
rolling. Oh, it's clean as a whistle.
Yeah, no, clean as a whistle.
Woo! All right.
All right, looking good.
I'm making coffee right now. We're roasting.
What was that again?
I'm roasting coffee. Tension on there.
Put a couple of wraps on that.
Got
You got plenty of line. Exactly.
Okay, here we go.
Keep going.
Oops, let me just clear this. So maybe we'll ease it off, or is it good?
That's good. We can ease the sheet out a little bit now.
Okay.